Hello all, Alibaba just dropped its latest flagship model, Qwen Max 3.8, and it's getting a lot of attention from the AI community. But here's what makes it interesting. You can actually use Qwen Max 3.8 for free now. Not just in browser, but also I'll show you how you can use it directly in coding tools like Claude Code or OpenCode. So if you are a developer, AI enthusiast, or someone who wants to experiment with powerful AI models without paying for another expensive subscription, this is definitely worth checking out. I'll walk you through the whole setup step by step. So come over to chat.quen AI, and if you click here, you will get three options here. So you can go with Quen 3.7 Plus and Quen 3.8 Max. You can use it for image generation, video, and reports and podcast. Everything you can do with this. And if you click here, you can see you can also create some extra task with this. So you can use it in your browser, but we are going to use it in our code editors as we told you. So come over to this link tokenrouter.com. From here, you just simply need to sign up with one of your email. So you can use Gmail or any other your working email. Okay. Now after you sign up, you need to come over this website again and go back to console, and from console you can see here's a dashboard, and from dashboard you can go for API keys and create your API key, give any name you like, and then keep it never expire. Then quantity one and quota setting you can make it to unlimited, and from models just type free and submit with the Qwen 3 Max. Now where to use it? Today we are going to use it in OpenCode. So simply come over to OpenCode AI and download your OpenCode. So you can use it in terminal, or you can also download it for your Mac or Windows version. So after you install the software OpenCode, open it and go for file. From file setting, you can go over provider, and from providers to custom provider, and here give the ID. So I'll go with Quen Max, and for the display name, let's copy this name here, Quen. And for the API key, or here for the base URL, we'll just go back to the home page and copy this base URL, and for the API key, just copy this one and paste here. Okay. Now for the models, again come over to API keys and copy this one. This model, once you copy, give it here. Okay, submit. Now from here, choose the model. Here it is, our Qwen 3.8 Max free. Let's just give a prompt hi. So it's replying us how it can help us. Now we're asking it that what model it is, and what are the core capabilities and the limitations. So it answers. Okay, so this way you can use it for free. Now we will test to run it in real test. So what we're going to do, we will give a prompt to make a game for us, and you can see it's working, and it will create the game. Okay, it create the game for us, and this is the game we are actually playing in this video, what you see. Okay, so you can make full stack websites and applications with this model. Sometimes it gives you reply in very short time or long time. It depends on your prompt. Okay, hopefully you like this video. See you in the next video. Have a great day and enjoy your free AI models.